everyone! Tonight we're going to make some spooky Halloween crafts. Stay tuned and we're going to make some fun skeleton lights and some skeleton jars. Okay, let's get started. I did purchase all of the supplies at the Dollar Tree except these two jars. I did purchase those at Hobby Lobby and I used a 40% off coupon, but you can use any jar of your choice. So you just want to start taking the skeletons and the gauze and layering those. That way it wasn't too heavy on the skeletons. And I just thought that method looked the best. The candle on the back of his jaw. You don't want to do the front because it's not going to set even, so you want to make sure that you trace the back of the jaw. So I just grabbed a permanent marker and traced the votive candle. You can grab your Exacto knife or any little knife. Just be careful cutting it out and take your time. And then grab a hot glue gun. I would suggest using a low temperature glue gun so you don't burn yourself. And just glue one side at a time. So hold it with your fingers and glue one side of the votive candle. Put 2 or 3 strips of glue on there. That way it's kind of thick and will hold the candle in place. Let it set up and dry, and then you can glue the other side. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're not going to see the bottom of the lights. And here are the lights. I think it's really neat. So you're just talking about $1.50. You can turn them on and off. Now, as you can see, the one on the left is brighter. I bought 2 packs of votive candles. This is the gold ones. This is the red package. So just depending on what kind of look you want to go with. But this one is brighter. So I do like that. That turned out pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think. We have some spooky lights.